Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Beyond and Deep Prescribery. They're looking for a social media and digital marketing manager. It pays up to $40,000 per year. If you live and breathe marketing and think you're good at it, we need to talk. We're looking for a hard-working, technical, encompassing, savvy, and versatile marketer who will be responsible for digital marketing, design, web design, social media, videos, and managing business development and growth of our B2B and B2C telemedicine business. 2 years of experience. Creative writing and superb English are a must. Medical business background is a plus. Marketing manager responsibilities include developing strategies, executing, tracking, and analyzing the performance of advertising campaigns, and managing the marketing budget, brand clarity, and identity. To be successful in this role, you should have hands-on experience with campaign development, all digital mediums, web analytics tools, and be able to turn creative ideas into effective client and customer acquisition and retention. Ultimately, you will help us build and maintain a strong and consistent brand through a wide range marketing channels. This position reports directly to the CEO and works closely with division managers and must be a team player. Responsibilities: develop strategies and tactics to get the word out about our company and drive qualified traffic to our front door. Deploy successful marketing campaigns and own their implementation from ideation to execution. Experiment with a variety of organic and paid acquisition channels like content creation, content curation, pay-per-click campaigns, event management, publicity, social media, lead generation campaigns, copywriting, performance analysis. Produce valuable and engaging content for our website and blog that attracts and converts our target groups. Prepare and monitor the marketing budget on a quarterly and annual basis and allocate funds wisely. Measure and report on the performance of marketing campaigns, gain insight, redirect, and assess against target goals. Analyze consumer behavior and create content to adjust email and advertising campaigns accordingly. Skills: demonstrable experience in marketing together with the desire to explore and learn. Experience in identifying target audiences and in creatively devising and leading across channels marketing campaigns that engage, educate, and motivate. Solid knowledge of website analytics tools. Technologically inclined. Excellent communication and problem-solving skills. Strong organizational and coordination ability. Good understanding of product visions and distribution. Other job type: full-time. Experience: sales, marketing, management, bachelor's degree and/or equivalent experience. Experience in setting up and optimizing Google AdWords campaigns. Numerically literate, comfortable working with numbers, making sense of metrics and processing figures with spreadsheets. Up to date with the latest trends and best practices in online, affiliate, influencer, and other form of digital marketing and measurement. Job types: full-time, contract. Pay up to $40,000 per year. Benefits: flexible schedule, 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday to Friday, overtime, education, associate required, experience, on the job, 2 years required, language, English required. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified, leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.